Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am cleaning the garage because we're expected to have a snowstorm on Tuesday, and so I'm doing a quick 20 minutes cleanup, organize the stuff that's in the garage, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So come along. Expecting snow, and this is the state of my garage, guys. Yes, this is the state of my garage. So I'm doing something real quick so I can take in my car, okay? All right. some space. Not a lot. A lot of these things, guys, need to go. I made a space. My husband is gonna be mad. My car is the only car gonna be able to come in. But a lot of these things got to go. I need to get back the rack for that water bottle. So that water bottle right here. But everything here, guys, is donation. Okay. The truck's supposed to come, and every time it's supposed to come, it gets canceled or it came on a snow day. So I'm still trying to work on that. This is a brand new school bag, guys. You see the tags, a lot of things here. These kids, they just get them and don't want them, but these things they can use, but the bag gotta go because they don't want the bag. So somebody had given them over the summer, and I'm honestly, guys, I'm gonna clear these out. And when I clear them out, remember I tell you, all these stuff in here are gonna be gone very soon, and so both of our cars can come in here. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I just finished cleaning up the garage. It was quick and easier than what I expected. And here it is looking good. So here it is. I can get, otherwise than a donation being gone, once they come to pick them up, I can get a car in. I think my car can hold here. However, Ubby car can't hold here, but it's okay. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. So here you go, baby is in.